Attention! Stand it is. Attention! Prayer by Adya PJ.
Prayer. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing. Send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now refreshing. Come and honor thy word.
Pledge by Alish CD.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Thought of the day by Anusri PL.
Thought of the day. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. APJ Abdul Kalam. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Today, important news headlines reading by Devika PL6. Terrifying video show landslides in unleashing devastation. 9 tourists were killed and some injured after a massive landslide hit a bridge in Himachal Pradesh Sangli Valley on Sunday. A video of the landslide, which has now gone viral, shows massive rocks breaking off a hill and coming crashing down on a bridge over a valley below. Delhi cinemas was to open with 50% capacity metro buses to run with full seating. India wrestler Priya Malik won gold medal at 2021 World Cadets Wrestling Championship in Hungary.
Next is speech by Sri Lakshmi CS.
Headmisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is July 26, Kargil Vijay Divas. The Kargil War was fought between May to July of 1999 in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. Kargil War is also known as Kargil conflict. Every year, this day is celebrated to honor the sacrifice of all those lives that were lost or harmed. There is a special ceremony at India Gate. New Delhi is headed by Prime Minister of the country. India is a nation that has always believed world peace and no war. I saluted this Indian army with all my heart, who are there for us in every difficult situation. Jai Hind.
National Anthem by Krishnanjali P. Tilagan.
Janagana